Let me show you this really easy and fun groove over F minor. Now the concept is simple. We're going to be descending chromatically from the flat 7 of the chord to the 5th of the chord. Bear in mind we're going to be playing the natural 6 and the flat 6 over F minor. This means that we're going to use some modal interchange. We're going to borrow F minor from two different major keys. So I'm going to start by playing this F minor 7 on top 3 strings. I got the root, the flat 3, the flat 7. If I bring that flat 7 half step down, I have an F minor 6, right? Now remember, an F minor chord with a natural 6 belongs to the 2 chord. In this case, F minor 7 is going to be the 2 chord in the key of E flat. Now you can also see this triad as a diminished triad. In this case, I have a D diminished triad. That's the 7th chord in the key of E flat. So you can say that a diminished triad, meaning the 7th chord, with the bass on the 2 chord, is going to give me a 2 chord minor 6. So you can learn your diminished triads all over the fretboard, put the bass on the 2 chord, and you have a 2 chord minor 6. So now from this chord, I'm going to bring the natural 6 half step down to the flat 6. So I'm going to have this sound, F minor with the flat 6. Now this time F minor 7, because we're playing the natural 6, is going to be the 6th chord in the key of A flat. So there we have that modal interchange, right? First F minor was the 2 chord in the key of E flat, because we were playing the natural 6, and now F minor is the 6th chord in the key of A flat, because we're playing the flat 6. Now if we deconstruct this chord and just play the top 3 strings, here I have a major triad, D flat major. Now in the key of A flat, D flat is the 4th chord. So you can say, if you play the 4th chord, D flat, and you put the bass on the 6th chord, you have a 6th chord minor with a flat 6. I'm to finish, I'm bringing that flat 6 half step down to the 5th, but I'm not just going to play an F minor triad here. I'm actually going to play an A flat major triad here. That's the 1 chord, right? A flat major. Now if I put the bass on the 6th chord, I have a 6th chord minor 7, in this case F minor 7. So if you want to use simple triad shapes and transpose this idea, you can tell yourself that first you're playing an F minor shell voicing, then you're playing a D diminished triad, then you're playing a D flat major triad, and then you're playing an A flat major triad. Of course, as soon as you put your bass on F, you have an F minor 7, F minor 6, F minor flat 6, and again an F minor 7. Now if we put those chords together, it sounds like this.